These are gonna go so fast. Like blink of an eye. So fast. So fast. This literally looks like you bought this at Kohl's. Are they really trying to bring these back for like the 3rd season in a row? Like, does it come with like magical beans or something to grow a magical beanstalk? Like, it's a lot of money. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley. If you're new here, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to give it a like and hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around for more. Still a bit stuffy, almost over the cold. We're making it through. I haven't done an anti-haul in too long. I looked at the date of the last one and I was like, oh no, so here we are. I hope some like more fall things have come out. I haven't looked at the products beforehand, so this is a surprise for both of us. But I figured this is kind of like the most fall shirt that I could find at the moment. It has a little pocket. I think this is like the box tee, all box tee something. This was like a markdown early this year. Everything that I chat about today will be linked down below if you want to shop this video. And let's get right into it. Starting it off, I got an email about this, of course, because who doesn't get all of the Lululemon marketing emails? Invigorate training tank top. Interested that they came out with this because I remember when they came out with the Wonder Train long sleeve, I was so excited because that's very like on trend, like a cropped long sleeve. Like it's very like Gymshark. It's very like I don't know, the first thing I think about is Gymshark and just like all of the other kind of more trendier brands. Speaking of which, subtle plug, I'm reviewing a top activewear brand next that I've never tried before, and I am so excited to see if it's worth all of the hype that it's getting, because it's getting so much hype and I need to see what's up. So that's coming soon. But the Wonder Train cropped long sleeve did not do well. Like, it was on markdown quite quickly, like even the black. They came out with a holiday version. Yeah, they came out with a holiday version and it just like didn't really turn into much of anything. I didn't love the fit of it, so I'm not totally surprised. But anyway, so that is one of the last Everlux tops that they came out with. So I'm happy to see that they are still cranking out some Everlux tops because I do think it's such a great fabric. It's definitely my favorite Lululemon fabric. RIP and movements. I feel like they've been coming out with a lot of training tops and things like this that I didn't necessarily see the need for it. I mean, it has like the weird seams in the front, I guess, for shaping, and then it also does around the stomach, but I don't know. Like, was this really a need? So it says light support, so does it have cups in it or intended for low impact activities? Doesn't say. Product features, but okay, built-in shelf bra. Okay, yeah, so therefore I wouldn't be able to wear this. Awesome. So yeah, if Lululemon could come out with a top with a shelf bra that supports something bigger than a C cup, that would be great, because I am so sick of seeing things like this and then just being like, okay, awesome. Speaking of which, if you didn't check out my last video on reviewing Lululemon's high sport bras, go ahead there if you're interested. Like, do people even like a shelf bra? I don't know, like genuinely curious. Would you go out of your way to buy a tank top with a shelf bra? Because the amount of people that I would talk to and they would just be like, oh yeah, I just removed the cups, like I don't want any of that. I don't know. Please let me know. I would honestly love to have your feedback in the comments because I feel like I'm very out of touch right now. Like anyway, I will not be getting this product. No thank you. Also, didn't Jubilee go on markdown? Isn't this a bit late? Okay, I'm done looking at that product. Aztec Brick, so new colors in the Wonder Train shorts. Love my Wonder Train shorts. I prefer the 6-inch myself, but okay. Invigorate bra, high support. Interesting, because it didn't used to always have the clasps, I don't think. Did they recently redo this? Also, high support for only B to C cups. Can we please work on that size range? Thank you. Yeah, I tried on an older version of the Invigorate bra and did not love it. I just didn't love the fit. I mean, nor did it fit me properly because they don't make my size, but also I could have sworn this used to not have a clasp. Okay, but it's still numbered sizing. So anyway, I never loved the fit of this on me. Yeah, just not a fan. Okay, they're pushing the Everlux products right now. They're pushing Run and Train. So denim wash print, dusky lavender black. Why are the names so long? Like, I know they come out with a lot of patterns, a lot of colors, but why are the names so long? They don't have to be that long. I don't mind this pattern. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I'm kind of indifferent. I like how it's more on the neutral side. So yeah, nothing too against it. Cinched hem jacket. I don't love the collar on top. I feel like that's my only thing, is I like the shape of it. I like the cinch on the bottom. The pockets on the side are kind of cool, kind of trendy. I just don't love how high it goes. Also, at that price point, like, you have to really love it to spend $128. Like, does it come with like magical beans or something to grow a magical beanstalk? Like, it's a lot of money. Just abrasion resistant fabric. Okay, it is water resistant, but yeah, no thanks. In still tights, I did talk about these in length in my review video if you want to go head over there. But I don't think any of these are new colors in the instills. No. This pattern is still kicking. I don't love it. Oh my god, what? That is so pixelated. Okay, that's definitely like... That is so pixelated. Why did they put that photo there? Even this is... What? That's horrible. What? Okay, wait, that's even more horrible. Okay, wait, let me... Okay, this one is pixelated, but then when we go to the next one, this is definitely... Oh my god, this is literally Kohls 101. I'm so sorry, Kohls, but this literally looks like you bought this at Kohls. Oh my god. I thought we were done with all of these like random camouflage patterns. Okay, oh. I really don't like this one, and this really looks like something that you would buy from Kohls. Or like Shein, or Fashion Nova. Just, this looks so cheap. So cheap. Scuba oversized half zips. Autumn red, again, I don't love the autumn red color. Like, I feel like it's much more of like a summery spring color. I feel like autumn red should have been like super like cozy and not like bright, like hurting my eyes kind of vibe. But coming out with more colors than that. And they're in stock, surprisingly. Okay, well, if you want a scuba oversized half zip in a non... Oh, some neutrals are in stock. I would run and go grab them because they're going to be sold out for like the next 6 months. Yeah, these are horrible. These are horrible. Yep, they look like they are from Shein. This isn't great either. Like, Lululemon has been trying to push camouflage for like almost 2 years now. Like, they started coming out with like really pushing camouflage when I started working for the company over 2 years. And I just, like, any of these camouflage patterns that I'm showing today will go on markdown. So you could easily save your money and not pay $128. I just think that the colors that they pick for the camouflages, like, aren't it. Starting to push the scubas again as it gets colder out. I was about to say warmer out, but no, it's literally fall. Happy fall. It is not getting warmer out, or at least I hope not. Unless you're in the southern hemisphere. It's a different story. Then happy spring. This pattern, I don't mind. I would never trust myself with it because I would get coffee stains all over it. I never loved the scuba. Like, it's just awkwardly long. Like, if they made ones that were just, like, shorter, like, this is... I feel like this photo doesn't do it justice, but I feel like it just... There's this band on the bottom and it's just super long. Like, if they came up with a version that wasn't as long, I feel like I would like it a lot more. Also, it's super fitted, so you just have to keep that in mind. Still pushing the Align reversible bra. I would assume it's doing well if they're coming out with a lot of colors. Align tanks are still kicking. The green twill I like. That's a pretty color. These are still in existence, and I'm like, wait, why aren't they on markdown? Just watch, they're gonna go on markdown next week. That's my guess. Or maybe the seaweed stuff, they like hold longer? I don't know. This is atrocious. Engineered warmth are starting to get pushed again. Like, I like the engineered warmth. I would never get them for myself because I don't feel like I need something enough to pay almost $150, but it is like a nice set. There's also a men's version and they have like a zip up and everything, so you can get a set, and it looks like they made it online only this year, so nothing too crazy. See, this is like the shelf tank top that is super popular, the Ebb to Street. They also make a crop version now, but also don't forget Lululemon does free hemming, so you can, if you have a longer one, you can just crop it at any Lululemon store. So like, these are such pretty colors, and unfortunately, like, it's just not inclusive for anything above a B cup, and it just does not work for me, but they're super soft and they're super comfortable, so I would recommend these. Oh, these are interesting. Love Cruise. I don't love these patterns. Why does it look like in the little color bubble that it's like really speckled, but it's not? Interesting. Okay. Yeah, don't love these patterns, but the Love Crew is nice if you're looking for a more true to size breathable t-shirt. Ooh, that's such a pretty color in the Kate's tee. I really like that color. Yeah, a lot better than Sonic Pink. I love how muted and cool toned it is. I really like that color. Are they really trying to bring these back for like the 3rd season in a row? They go on markdown so quickly and like no one buys them. Like look how screen printed that is. Lululemon, we've been over this. Just come out with better quality tie-dye and then the world will be so much happier. It just like makes me so sad because like there is 10,000% still a market for tie-dye stuff, but it just looks screen printed and just not fun. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. I don't need any more crew necks, but they're so soft. Maybe when it goes on markdown, if there's any sizes left. $118. These are so soft though. Like what a mood with your soft ambition shorts, which I'm currently wearing right now. Love them. The Muscle Love long sleeve shirt is interesting. I actually do like it. I just don't think it's super popular. But like it is a nice shirt and it has these like cool seams on the back. Let me see if I can bring it up. Yeah, there we go. Which is essentially the same seams as the Muscle Love tank top. But I do think it's like a nice lightweight breathable material if you're looking for like a relaxed cropped long sleeve, like alternative to, is the Wonder Train long sleeve even still a thing? Or the Swiftly? Let me look that up. Is it even a thing? No. Literally can't type. Wonder Train long. Oh, it is still a thing! It is still a thing. Wow, okay. These come a lot longer than I remember. And also, I don't remember it being $94. I remember it being a lot cheaper. So those are two confusions that I need to like sort out in my brain. If any of you know or remember, let me know down in the comments because I swear they weren't $94. Like I feel like the special holiday one, which is of course going to be jacked up in price, was like 80 something. Am I going crazy? Okay, back to what's new. Okay, so they're not calling it Sherpa this year, I guess. Reversible fleece. Okay, but this is so much nicer than the ones that came out last year. Okay, claps to them. This one is so much nicer than the Sherpa ones that came out last year. Those were so bad, and I'm pretty sure they're either still on We Made Too Much or they were up until very recently. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. I like this. I mean, I don't need it to be reversible, but I like this. Very expensive, so just note on that. But okay, this I can get behind. This is awesome. What are you? Okay, very like avant-garde. I don't hate it. Interesting. Wasn't expecting that one. Okay, cool. This I don't love. Just all the quilted stuff that they came out with, or this they're calling rippled, I just don't really love. No, the texture just isn't it for me. I don't know, and I feel like the way that this is shaped, it's very like yes, it's slouchy, but I don't know, I just don't love the shape of it. Like I do like that it's high-low. I think I just kind of wish it wasn't a v-neck. I feel like then it would be more pleasing to the eye. The Wonder Puffs are back. Ah! Oh my god, this color is so pretty. Oh my god. To all of you who say that all I do is crap on the company, in these videos, a lot of the times yes, but there are so many products that I do love. When these go on markdown, when did they go on markdown? Boxing Day last year? You'll have to snag them so quick. So quick. I will probably be doing similar videos to what I did last year, talking about like Black Friday, Boxing Day, like things like that. But oh my god, these are gonna go so fast. Like blink of an eye. So fast. So fast. They probably dropped these, just like haven't started pushing them yet, but once they start pushing them, guys, you need to run. You need to run. Oh my god. This is like one of the big purchases that I was so happy I made last year. I got the Wonder Puff jacket, and then I got the vest. Oh my god, I can't wait for it to get colder out. Oh my god, I just got so excited remembering I have it. It is so expensive. So expensive. That is why I highly recommend you trying to buy it on markdown. Probably Boxing Day, if they follow the same timeline as last year's when they went on markdown. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to snag it because employee markdown discount is $75 off the original price, so chef's kiss. They're back, guys! Okay, cropped vest. Yes. Oh my god. I definitely think they upped the price as well, which I'm not surprised. I feel like the cropped vest was like 180, 190 last year, and I feel like the jacket was like 240. So definitely up the price. If you have the money to spend, I know it is so much money. I do definitely think it's worth it, but that's why I really want to let you know that all of the winter coats, for the most part, go on markdown, at least like the random colors, by Boxing Day. Usually. Because Lululemon does 2 massive sales, Black Friday and Boxing Day. Like, when I say massive sales, I mean they don't have We Made Too Much for a couple weeks previous, and then a lot of stuff just gets marked down at once. So it's like normal markdown prices. It's not like 50% off this, blah, blah, blah. It is a much larger amount of markdowns than usual. And the cropped, oh my god, and the Everglade, so pretty. I did size down in the Wonder Puffs. I did a size 4, and it's still pretty oversized. And normally in jackets, I would do like a 6 or an 8, depending how fitted they are. Long, oh my god, that is so pretty. So pretty. Like, even this went on markdown for Boxing Day, and a couple of my coworkers snagged it, and I was like, yes, fight the system. Love that. Because, like, obviously employees didn't get, like, to get the markdowns quicker than anyone. Like, we would be refreshing the website, refreshing the app, waiting for the stuff to get marked down, just like everyone else. Yeah. My gosh, like, I feel like that just put me in, like, such a full mood that, yeah, nothing else really exciting, but wow, that made me so excited. What a lovely surprise. The Wonder Puffs are like back at it. Wow, yay, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I hope that made you excited for cooler weather. Oh my gosh. Okay, awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and leave me a comment what products you're most excited for or not excited for. Whatever works. My vlog channel will be linked down below as well, and I will catch you guys next time.